Welcome to DIY Charm Studio. Today, I have something super exciting for all of you who love to decorate your home beautifully without spending a fortune. Yes, we're diving into some absolutely stunning Dollar Tree DIY home decor ideas that look expensive but are actually super budget-friendly. I love shopping at Dollar Tree because it proves that you don't need to spend big to make your home feel cozy, stylish, and uniquely you. With just a little imagination and a few craft supplies, you can turn simple $1.25 items into custom decor pieces that look like they came straight out of a boutique. So grab a hot drink, get comfy, and let's jump into these amazing Dollar Tree DIY projects that will totally transform your space. Let's start with a simple but gorgeous DIY, framed faux botanical art. All you need are some Dollar Tree picture frames, a few faux leaves or flowers from the floral section, and some neutral scrapbook paper or fabric. Cut your background to fit the frame, press the leaves flat, and assemble it all together. The result: high-end looking botanical prints that work perfectly for a gallery wall, hallway, or above your console table. Next up, we're crafting some elegant candle holder centerpieces. You can find glass candle holders at Dollar Tree in various shapes. Use a strong adhesive like E6000 to stack them, creating varying heights. Paint them with matte spray paint, think black, gold, or white, to give them a modern or vintage vibe. Add LED candles or tea lights on top, and place them on a tray or dining table for a truly designer-worthy centerpiece. Now for something farmhouse chic, vases wrapped in twine. Grab a few glass jars or bottles, apply hot glue, and wrap them with jute rope from top to bottom or in stripes. Add dried florals or faux stems, and you've got rustic vase decor that looks amazing on shelves, nightstands, or even your bathroom vanity. Let's talk wall decor. Dollar Tree's picture frames are perfect for creating a cohesive photo collage. Pick 6 to 8 matching frames and link them together using ribbon or jute, or glue them to a foam board. Fill them with personal photos, printable quotes, or abstract patterns, and you've got yourself a DIY gallery wall that's full of personality and style. Now here's a statement piece that's super affordable: mirror mosaic wall art. Dollar Tree carries small square mirrors that are great for this project. Arrange them in a pattern on a foam board or wooden panel, glue them in place, and frame the whole thing if you want. Hang it on the wall for a modern, reflective piece that catches the light and adds instant elegance to any room. Another great decor hack: transform Dollar Tree trays into designer-style displays. You can spray paint plastic trays in gold or matte black and add contact paper to the base for a marble or wood effect. Top with a candle, mini vase, and a book, and you've got the perfect coffee table or vanity tray. For a cozy and creative touch, let's create a hanging photo display using twine and mini clothespins. Grab a wooden frame or make one from paint sticks, string twine across it, and pin your favorite printed photos, quotes, or small artwork pieces. You can even change them out seasonally. It's a fun, interactive way to personalize your decor. You can also use Dollar Tree wood planks or canvas panels to create your own signs and quotes. Paint them in neutral colors or distressed shades, then add a stencil or hand letter a favorite saying. These signs work well in entryways, kitchens, or above beds for that warm, lived-in feel. Let's not forget about seasonal decorating. You can use Dollar Tree items to create wreaths for any time of the year. Grab a wire or foam wreath form, floral picks, ribbons, and seasonal embellishments. Customize it for spring, summer, fall, or winter. It's a fun project and a budget-friendly way to celebrate every season in style. If you're into organizing, Dollar Tree has bins and baskets that can be customized too. Paint them, label them with vinyl decals, or wrap them with fabric or rope. You can make them look high-end and use them to organize everything from office supplies to toiletries. Another hidden gem: Dollar Tree tumbling tower blocks, basically mini wooden blocks that are great for crafting. You can glue them together to make mini shelves, coasters, risers, plant stands, and even shadow boxes. A little wood glue and creativity go a long way. And if you love greenery but want a no-maintenance option, try making faux succulent planters. Dollar Tree often has small succulent picks. Pop them into a ceramic dish, a small pot, or even a painted mug. Add some rocks or moss for texture and you're good to go. To create a calming, cozy atmosphere, add a DIY lantern using 4 picture frames. Remove the backing and glass, glue the frames into a cube shape, and add a base. You can paint it, pop in a LED candle, and use it as a soft light feature in any room. For a beautiful wall hanging, you can use Dollar Tree mop heads. Yes, really. Just disassemble the mop, comb out the strings, and glue or tie them to a dowel rod or stick. You can dye them, braid them, or layer them to create a modern, textured wall hanging that looks like something you'd find at Urban Outfitters. And just when you thought we were done, there's so much more you can do with Dollar Tree items that go beyond the obvious. I like to think of the store as a treasure hunt. You never know what you'll find until you look at it from a DIY mindset. Let's talk about tiered trays, super popular for seasonal decorating. At Dollar Tree, you can grab 2 or 3 round pans, plastic trays, or plates, and use candle holders or tumblers as spacers. Glue them together with E6000 or hot glue for a quick drying option, paint them to match your space, and you have a high-end looking tiered tray for displaying small decor, candles, or treats. You can decorate it for different holidays, Valentine's, Easter, Halloween, or keep it neutral with greenery and white ceramic pieces. Another decor trend we can totally DIY is boho-inspired wall art. Think of yarn, wood beads, and dowels, all of which you can find or improvise from Dollar Tree items. You can create layered tassels, knotted pieces, or even minimalist wall hangings that give off serious anthropology vibes for under $5. Lastly, we need to talk about color coordination. One simple way to elevate your DIYs is to pick a consistent color palette for your space. Whether that's neutral boho, modern black and white, or pastel cottagecore, Dollar Tree has seasonal items and basics that you can mix and match to stick with your theme. Keeping your decor cohesive makes your home feel intentional and beautifully styled. So there you have it, dozens of ideas to elevate your home on a dime using Dollar Tree treasures. And the best part? Every project is totally customizable, meaning you can put your personality into every piece. If you've made it this far, you're a true DIY lover, and I love that about you. Let me know in the comments which project you're most excited to try, or share your own Dollar Tree hacks. I'd absolutely love to hear from you. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. It really supports the channel and helps us keep sharing more awesome DIYs. And if you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss out on new creative ideas each week. Thanks so much for watching. Stay creative, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crafting!